Question 17. Suppose a laser is located on wall AB. Let's find that right here. AB at point L. So here's the laser in a rectangular room and shines a light that bounces off a mirror that stretches across wall BC. There it is. So we hit the mirror. Okay, and stops an object at point P. So bounces, come up here, point P. If the laser is 3 meters from wall BC, point P is 4 meters from the wall BC, and the horizontal distance from the laser to point P is 5 meters right here, how many feet away from point B does the laser bounce off the mirror at point M? Did you get that? If not, look down here. We're trying to find B to M. So we want to find this length. I'm going to call it X. And we know that this is 5 all the way across. So we need to label this side. Do you know how you would find that length? You would take 5 minus whatever this is, X. So we actually have 2 variables here that we're going to use. Well, one variable, X, but we're going to see it twice. Okay, so let's line up our corresponding sides. These are similar triangles, a right angle, and then congruent angles. So 4 to 3. That's our first side ratio. And our second set of corresponding sides is 5 minus X to X. And from here, we can just solve for X by cross multiply. So 4 times X equals 3 times 5 minus X. And I want you to notice I put the 5 minus X in parentheses because this 3 has to go to both of them. So when I put it in parentheses, it's kind of like a reminder to be like, oh yeah, make sure that 3 gets distributed. So it's actually 15 minus 3x equals 4x. Now we're just going to solve. So add 3x to both sides. That gets me, oops, I wrote 7 because guess what the answer is? 7x equals 15. And then divide both sides by 7, and that's our answer. Okay, I guess you could do that, but you'd have to round it. And when it doesn't say, oh, you may round your answer to 2 decimal places. When it tells you to round, do it. If it doesn't tell you to round, you're going to leave it as a fraction. So 2.14 will be our rounded answer.